So now, Renee was also asking about grouping. So what's the advantage of linking and grouping? Well, linking, you can have layers that are not adjacent together and they can be linked. So you can have the top layer here, which is this little button, can be linked to, let's say, the photo. So it will always stay. Like maybe I had the photo on the face. Maybe I want to hide the face and I want to have that and the photo linked. I can link them together. Fine. But I cannot group them because grouping them will put them side by side in the layer palette, or not necessarily side by side, but top, bottom together. So if I put them, see, I have both selected. If I decide to make a new layer group, I will create a group. And now you can see how my photo is on top of the other pieces of paper that were supposed to be on top of the photo. So they will be moved together, that is fine, but they will not be layered in the same way because you can see they are now together and they end up probably not necessarily in the right place that you want them. Grouping has advantages, however. So if I want to get the word having, I can select those and that one. Oops, sorry, wrong one. I was holding the shift key by accident. And if I do here new layer group, it's going to create a group at the highest level. So now they will move together. Also, they are linked, but even if they weren't linked, one advantage of the group is that now you can take the group, copy, so Control C, and I can paste as a new image all together. So for example, if you are running a script to make puzzle pieces and you end up with 30 pieces, you might want to have everything grouped so you can move it onto a different project and then you can ungroup. So you can right click, ungroup the layers, and then you can move them around. Well, in this case, they're linked, but let's unlink them and we can move them. Another advantage of the grouping is that the group can be, if you select the group on top and use the pick tool, you can resize everything at once. You can rotate everything also. So it does have some advantages if you are okay in having all those layers together in the layers palette. Corey asked, can you ungroup after you closed the project? Oh yes, it's not like a merge. A group can be ungrouped at any point because you keep your layers. They're just organized differently. It would be different if I said, if I would do right click, merge, then once it's merged, it's merged. If I close my picture and I reopen it, I'm stuck. So grouping is good, and you will see that whenever you have a mask, you will have groups. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, We've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!